how to insert table of contents in Microsoft Word. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So in today's tutorial, I'll show you how to easily insert table of contents in your Microsoft Word document. So let's dive right in. First things first, open up your document and if you have written a report, make sure everything is correct. And once you've done that, go to one of the blank space on your Word document and but before inserting the table, you will need to make sure that your titles are set into proper headings. So, for example, if your business report is the heading 1, then select it all and set it to heading 1 as you can see on styles. Now, select executive summary and then you can set it to heading 2 or heading 1 according to your wish. And then, like there is other titles, so make sure that you select it and then you can set it to heading 2, heading 3. So heading 2, heading 3 are the subheadings under heading 1. So you can just put in any heading according to your wish. And once you're done formatting the headings, you'll have to go to a blank space and then go to insert option on the you'll have to go to the references option on the ribbon bar, and then here you'll find table of contents. Tap on it and then you can see automatic table 1, automatic table 2 and manual table. So I suggest using automatic table 1, or you can do anything according to your preference. And there you go, the table of contents appear right there. So you can even format it according to your wish. You can edit it, you can change the font, the styles, and if there is some mistake, then you can just tap on update table and you can either choose to update page number only or update the entire table and hit OK. And if there are any changes, then the table of contents will be automatically updated. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.